Here I have OPPO F21 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data from this device. So firstly you have to open your internet browser, which you normally use. Could be this one. Then go to the history section and tap clear browsing data. Then select time range for which you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, or the beginning of time. Then select data formats which you want to delete. It could be browsing history, cookies inside data, cached images and files. In advanced you can also select saved passwords, autofill form data and site settings. And then tap clear data, and after that all of these data will be erased. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.